Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for e-commerce. First, you'll want to understand that Shopify is a powerful platform designed to help you create and manage your online store with ease. It provides all the essential tools, from website building to payment processing. To begin, simply sign up for an account and select a suitable subscription plan. Many new users start with a free trial, which typically lasts for 3 days, allowing you to explore its features before committing. Once you've signed up, the next step is to build your store. Start by selecting a theme from Shopify's extensive library, which includes over 100 free and paid options, to define your brand's look. Then, meticulously add your products, ensuring each has compelling descriptions and high-resolution images. Don't forget to configure crucial settings such as shipping rates, taxes, and your preferred payment gateways to ensure smooth transactions for your customers. With your store set up, managing daily operations becomes key. Shopify's intuitive admin dashboard allows you to efficiently process and fulfill customer orders, ensuring timely delivery. You can also easily track your inventory levels, helping you avoid frustrating overselling situations or unexpected stockouts. Maintaining clear and consistent communication with your customers about their purchases, from order confirmation to shipping updates, builds trust and encourages repeat business. Finally, focus on marketing and growing your e-commerce business. Shopify provides built-in marketing tools and access to thousands of apps in its App Store to help you promote your products. Optimize your store for search engines to increase organic traffic and visibility. Consider expanding your reach by integrating with various sales channels, such as social media platforms or online marketplaces, to connect with a broader audience and scale your success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.